Feeling amazing.
Dr. Campbell here with Oak Brook Medical Group with another adjusting video for you guys. This is Mark. Mark, you can say hello.
Hi.
Mark's been coming to us for a couple of years. Now he just comes in every couple of weeks to get a little tune-up. So we're going to do a maintenance adjustment today. So we know what works well with Mark. I've already checked him out. And we're going to start right at the top here. Beautiful. All right, we're going to turn your side and face this way. And we can come right around here, Katie. All right. We're going to loosen up Mark's low back. Breath in. And in. Good. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Good. Mark also works with patients a lot. He does a lot of traveling, so he tightens up from time to time, so we got to keep him loose.
Yeah.
Breath in. And in. Good. On your back. And we're going to put the bear hug on him here. Breath in. And out. Beautiful. And we're going to take one more thing here. Right at the top here. Good. Now we also loosen up Mark's lower extremities. Get the hip and the knee with this adjustment. Good. And the ankle there. Legs a little tight today, Mark.
Yeah, it is.
Beautiful. Good. And we can sit up. How are we feeling after that?
Feeling amazing.
Excellent. So if you're in problems with low back pain, neck pain, anything like that, give us a call down here at Oak Brook Medical Group and we'll talk to you soon.